And Trump has signed an executive order opening the door to include private equity, real estate, cryptocurrency and other alternative assets in 401k retirement plans. A sweeping shift that could unlock access to the $12 trillion defined contribution retirement market. Until now, most plans held familiar assets, stocks, bonds, cash-like investments. But this executive order instructs the Labor Secretary and the SEC to revise fiduciary guidance and regulations, paving the way for alternative investments to enter retirement portfolios. This matters because Americans have trillions invested in employer-sponsored plans. The move could open up $12 trillion in defined contribution plans, including roughly $9 trillion in retirement investment for private asset managers. Firms like BlackRock already moved quickly. BlackRock plans to launch a retirement fund next year with a 5 to 20% allocation of private equity and private credit. Proponents say this broadens diversification and gives everyday investors access to potentially higher long-term returns. But critics caution, these assets are illiquid, costly, with fees like 2% management plus 20% of profits and lack of transparency. And on top of that, litigation risk remains high as well. The executive order instructs the Labor Department to reassess ERISA guidance and consider rescinding prior restrictions within 180 days. It also then calls on agencies like the SEC and the Treasury to coordinate rulemaking and possibly create fiduciary safe harbors. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.